Hello, everyone. Welcome to this charming two-bedroom, one-bathroom house located in the peaceful, gated community of Stonebrick Vista in Trelawney. Situated in a prime, centrally located area, this home offers a perfect blend of convenience and tranquility. Just a short 30-minute drive from the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. You'll have easy access to city amenities while enjoying the serenity of a quiet neighborhood. The house is well-maintained and boasts great potential for expansion, making it an ideal investment for those looking to personalize and grow their space. Whether you're seeking a cozy starter home or envisioning future upgrades, this property provides a wonderful foundation in one of Trelawney's most desirable communities. Interior, other flooring, ceramic tile exterior, lot size 3,977 roof, Decormaster color garden area, water heater, ceiling fans, kitchen built-in as main level entry, 24-hour security, unfurnished site inflow. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $35 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.